Okay, now we go to the next chapter. Okay, chapter 3. Okay, algebraic formula. Okay, in this chapter, okay, the important thing you have to understand, okay, two types only actually. Okay, algebraic formula connect the algebraic expression through addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, okay, in an equation form. Okay, and then you have to understand subject of formula is represented by a letter, which is the subject of formula can be changed according to the value of the variable. Okay, so this one same like you learn linear equation. Okay, if you understand Form 1 chapter 6 linear equation, so easy to understand this chapter. Okay, and then you have to understand the definition of algebraic formula. Algebraic formula is a combination of two or more algebraic terms. Okay, the algebraic formula can combine an algebraic expression using addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, and is written in the form of an equation. Okay, now you can refer the notes. Okay, I will give you example, follow my notes. After finish, I will give you example. I will choose certain question in your textbook and workbook. Hi girls, continue chapter 3, algebraic. This one wrong spelling, this one G. Algebraic formula. Okay, chapter 3. So first, okay, understand the definition of variable and constant. Okay, this one you learn in Form 1. You can open back your workbook, chapter 5, Form 1, the definition of variable. Okay, variable is a quantity. Okay, this one no in your textbook, but you must understand the definition of variable. Okay, variable is a quantity whose value can vary or not known yet. Okay, that means something that you don't know you call variable. Okay, or unknown. A constant is a quantity whose value is always fixed. Okay, constant means something the value that cannot be changed. Okay, already fixed. Okay, for example like this. Okay, this question. Okay, next slides. Okay, variable or constant. Okay, you have to identify. Okay, from the word. Okay, from the number of cars passing through in a day. Okay, because you don't know the number of car that will passing through every day, so that one can be changed every day, right? The number of car, so that one we call variable because the value can be changed. Okay, can be changed. If the value cannot be changed, for example like the sum of interior angle of heptagon. Okay, that means the interior angle of polygon already fixed. You cannot change. Okay, the sum of interior angle of for heptagon you will learn in chapter 4. Okay, so that one constant because the interior angle for heptagon, which is polygon, already fixed. So this one we call this constant. Okay, this one constant because the value cannot be changed. Okay, constant. Okay, if the total mass of corn harvested in a month, the total mass of corn can be changed. Okay, every month can be okay, different. Okay, so this one variable because the value can be changed. Okay, the mass of the corn harvested in a month, and then the number of a day, the number of days in a week already fixed. Okay, you know that 1 week equal to 7 days. That one already fixed, so this one we call constant. Constant. Okay, that one the definition for variable and constant. Okay, you have to understand the definition of variable and constant. Okay, next we go to the how to write the formula. Okay, next write the formula. Okay, write the formula. Okay, for example like this, the rate of speed. Okay, you can write the rate of speed is the distance traveled divided by the time taken. Okay, so you can write the formula how. Okay, you know from the word, the rate of speed, that means speed equal to, okay, distance traveled, that means distance divide by time. Okay, if you want to write the formula, you can use the short, that's why you can use the letter only. You don't need to write speed equal to distance divided time. You just write speed. You can use s refer to speed, equal to distance. You can use d. Okay, you want d distance over time t. Okay, this one how to write the formula. Okay, understand the word. Okay, then you can write the formula. Okay, now construct an algebraic formula for the length of side C. Okay, this one, okay, you know this one, the shape of right angle triangle. Okay, how you know? Because this one 90 degree. Okay, so B hypotenuse. Okay, so from 1 you learn chapter 13, okay, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this one hypotenuse. Okay, how you know this one the hypotenuse? Because B opposite to right angle. Okay, opposite to 90 degree, and then the longest side. Okay, so B hypotenuse. Okay, how to write the formula? The question 1, you write the length of C. Okay, where your C? Okay, C is the other side, not the hypotenuse. C other side. So you know, you use the Pythagoras theorem. C square, if you want to find the other side, so hypotenuse square B square minus A square. Okay, recall back your knowledge in form 1. Okay, that you learn in form 1, this one Pythagoras theorem. If you want to find the other side, you use hypotenuse square minus other side. But if you want to find hypotenuse, you just add A square plus A square. Okay, now you want to find C square here. Okay, the other side. So B square minus A square. Then the question want to find the length of side C. So C only. The question want to find C equal to B square minus A square. So you have to square root. Okay, so this one the formula to find the length of side C. Okay, so here the answer to write the formula. Okay, how to write the formula for question 1 and 2. Okay, next slide. Okay, so this question want you to write an algebraic formula based on each of the following statement. Okay, so we have 3 example here, 3 question. Write the algebraic formula. Okay, for question 1, A. Okay, the value of y is 3 less than 2 times the value of x. Okay, highlight the value of y. That means y is your subject formula. Okay, why you call this one subject? Okay, because any letter when you write y equal to what? Okay, automatic this one we call subject formula. Okay, subject. Okay, so y, the value of y equal 3 less than, okay, 3 less than 2 times the value of x. Okay, 2 times the value of x, 3 times, okay, 3 less than 2 times the value of x. Okay, 2 times x equal to 2x. So the value of y equal to 3 less than, okay, 2 times the value of x. That means 2x less than minus 3. Okay, and then question B. Okay, this one A. Okay, B. The value of W. Okay, so W is your subject. Okay, W equal to, okay, this one we call subject. Okay, S-U-B-J-E-C-T, subject, equal to is half of the square of the value of z. Okay, square of value of z, that means z square, half of the value, that means over 2. Okay, half. Okay, Okay, divide by 2. Okay, so this one, how to write the formula? The value of W, okay, W equal to half of the square of the value of Z. Okay, half of the square of the value of Z, this means Z square divided by 2. Okay, that one for question B. Question C, the perimeter of P, okay, the perimeter of P of a triangle, okay, you know the triangle equal to, okay, this one triangle is the sum of the length of its side. So A, B, C, like that, right? So perimeter P, okay, P, okay, this one subject, P refer to perimeter, equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Okay, so this one we call subject. Okay, this one subject, and then you have to form formula. Okay, follow the statement given. Okay, you understand the statement, then you write the formula. Okay, here we call subject. Okay, now the definition of subject formula, very important. You must understand the meaning of subject. Okay, the subject of a formula is usually written on the left. Okay, remember this one? Okay, highlight. On the left of the equation, the coefficient of the subject of a formula must 1. Like this. Okay, must at left. This one, that's why we call subject. And then the value of the subject must equal to 1. Cannot like 2y equal to 2. Okay, this one not yet finished. Okay, the value of y must equal to 1 only. So you have to bring here 2 divide 2, 1 like that. The subject must, coefficient of the subject must 1, and then subject must at the left. Okay, at the left of the equation. Okay, now I give you example. Okay, example. Okay, this question, a printing company charges a basic price of Rm30 for printing wedding invitation cards. Then the price of printing a card is 50 cents. Derive a formula to calculate the price RMK of printing and wedding invitation card. Okay, the question 1, you write the formula, the price. Okay, so you can write total price. Total price equal to, okay, so total price is RMK. Okay, so use RMK. Okay, RMK, key variable, you don't know the price. Okay, so total price RMK equal to basic price plus the price of printing and invitation card. Okay, price and invitation card. Okay, cards. Okay, so you don't know, okay, RM the price, so you write RM. K, variable, RM the unit. Okay, the basic price here, basic price of RM30, so RM30 plus, okay, price of printing and invitation card, so N multiply by 1, okay, printing 1 card equal to RM 50 cents, right? Okay, so RM 0.50, so RM 0.50 multiply by N. Okay, this one the price of printing and invitation card. So to write the formula, no need write the unit, you just write K. Okay, write the variable K, subject formula K. Okay, equal to 30 plus, you don't need write the unit, you just write 0.50 times N, you get 0.5 N. Okay, so this one the formula. Okay, derive a formula to calculate the price. So this one the formula, okay, to calculate the price of printing and wedding invitation card.